Hello everyone. As you can see, this video will base on R, and probably your experience is not with R, but doesn't matter. You only need to work with R here to load your database, and after this code will do everything for you. This code will select if you need trend or constant in the unit root test by itself. Then you don't need to choose anything. How this code works? Well, this code follows the elder Aaron Kennedy 2001 strategy. Now let's play with one example. Here I have a database that contains very long time series for New Zealand. Here is the database and I will load. Now let's run the code. You click here and go all the way down and press run. And now we write the name of our function, that is ADF strategy. Our database, as we can see, is called Zealand. And in order not to make this longer, I just will let all the default arguments as they are, and I will just change p-value. Okay. And now let's run it. I generate this warning message in order you to know which series had problem of autocorrelation. The last series is student total in the database, and there is a message. The initial ADF test result for the series, which growth status is unknown. This is information that you get. You set, as we see here, we set the growth status as unknown and appear here the Bruce Goffrey test for this first ADF test. The first ADF test, the final message, the series which growth status was unknown does not have a unit root test but has a trend. The final Bruce Goffrey test and the final ADF test. This is the ADF test that you will use as your final result for the series. Now, let's consider that you don't want the autocorrelation correction that I mentioned. Then just you need to, in this case, you only need to set the p-value as the default value. You don't need to write it because it by itself will consider p-value equal 0. Well, this is all. I hope this will be helpful for you, and please comment in case of any question or doubt that you can have regarding to all this. Very much thank you.